On the night of December 27, 2024, astronomers using the Atlas telescope in Rio Hurtado, Chile were scanning the sky as usual, when they spotted a small fast-moving object against the distant stars. After tracking it for a while, they realized that they have found a new asteroid and named it 2024 YR4. Early estimates suggested it was about 40 to 90 meter wide and had a 1 in 83 or 1.2% chance that it could hit Earth on December 22, 2032. But after a few more observations, the chances have now increased to 1 in 43 or 2.3% chance. Right now, this is the highest chances of impact of any asteroid that we are tracking, and the second highest ever recorded after Apophis in 2004, which had a 2.7% chance at that time. And even though Apophis is no longer considered a threat, the same cannot be said about 2024 YR4. But apart from its high odds of impact, how dangerous it actually is. The 2024 YR4 is a part of a group called Apollo-type asteroids, which means they orbit the Sun in a close proximity to the Earth. Right now, NASA is tracking over 30,000 near-Earth objects, out of which about 2,500 are considered potentially dangerous. Scientists use a system called the Torino scale to rate the risk of an asteroid hitting the Earth. The scale goes from 0 to 10 depending upon the chances of impact and the damage it can cause, with a score of 0 meaning the likelihood of an impact is almost 0, and a score of 10 means a direct collision is certain and capable of causing extinction level damage. Before YR4 was discovered, there were 0 asteroids with a score higher than 0, but this one has been given a score of 3 on the Torino scale for its possible close approach in 2032. This asteroid is about the size of a football field, and if it ever hit Earth, the impact could release energy equal to 15 megatons of TNT, which is 100 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb and can destroy entire cities. The International Asteroid Warning Network has listed possible impact locations including the Pacific Ocean, Southern America, Atlantic Ocean, parts of Africa, Arabian Sea and South Asia. These, however, are still early observations, and things can change in the future. Even though the chances of impact have gone up recently, experts believe they could go down as more observations are made. Right now, it is moving away from the Earth in its orbit around the Sun, which makes it hard to track using ground-based telescopes, which is why the James Webb Space Telescope will take a closer look at the asteroid in March 2025. Unlike the ground telescopes, which rely on reflected sunlight, JWST's infrared capabilities will detect the heat emitted by the asteroid, offering a clearer picture of its dimension and trajectory. The orbit of an asteroid can change over time due to the gravitational pull of planets and other space objects, and therefore the astronomers believe they can get a better idea when it will come back towards the Earth in 2028. And if a potential impact in 2032 is ruled out, the likelihood of collisions in future encounters will also significantly decrease. But what if the predictions start looking even more alarming? NASA and the European Space Agency are watching the asteroid very closely, and they believe they are ready to handle any potential risks. One of the most promising demonstrations of their preparation was the DART mission in 2022. In that mission, NASA successfully changed the path of an asteroid by crashing a spacecraft into it, a proof of concept for the kinetic impactor technology. But NASA isn't relying on kinetic impactors alone. They are also exploring a range of other techniques, including gravitational tractors, which uses a spacecraft's gravity to slightly deviate an asteroid from its orbit. And if necessary, even nuclear devices could be used. Each method is being rigorously studied and tested to ensure that if the need arises, we have multiple strategies at our disposal. And it's not just NASA working alone. The European Space Agencies, along with the other international partners, is a part of global network dedicated to planetary defense. By pooling resources and expertise, these agencies are trying to ensure that our planet is not defenseless against any potential asteroid threats. YR4 may seem like a threat right now, but the odds are still being refined, and the chances are it may still pass us by harmlessly. The next few years will be crucial in determining whether this asteroid is a threat or just another space rock passing us by. Either way, humanity's growing ability to detect and respond to these cosmic visitors gives us hope for the future. What do you think about it? Will it prove to be a potential threat or will it be another false alarm? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.